Hey guys, Snickerland4 here, and this video is just about my dog. Jake, stop trying to sniff the treats in my pocket. Okay, and right now we're gonna feed the dog and make him do some tricks. Alright, Jake. Paul. Jake. Paul. Good boy. Down, down. Down, down. Down, down. Down, down. Good boy, Jake. Jake, no, sit. Jake, sit. Paul. Good boy. Now look into the camera, Jake. Say cheese. Good boy. Good boy, Jake. Good boy. Want another? Jake, want another? Jake, want another? Look. No. Give me a treat, sneaky devil. Jake, give me a treat. Paul, down. Stand up. Fine. Just have a treat. Have that treat. Alright guys, this video is me talking about my dog. He's an Australian Shepherd, 1 year old, birthday April 29th. And that's all I wanted to show you. Peace out.